Is AI is the future? Is AI going to take away all the jobs of the IT professionals? Is coding going to be freely automated in the near future? What's happening in the current market with AI? Let's see in this video. Welcome to my channel, BINOCULAR.
Sorry, it's DJ.
Before diving deep into this topic, we have to first understand the topic: is AI killing programming career? Before actually cracking the system, we have to first understand the system. To understand what is happening within AI versus IT professionals, we have to first take interesting statistics and surveys to understand the situation. According to the recent Washington Post analysis, over 27% of the computer programmer roles has been disappeared in US drastically in last 2 years, which is a drastic steep since 1980 in US. Also, Anthropic, a famous AI industry and well-renowned AI industry CEO Dario Amodei addressed that within this year, almost 90% of code will be written by AI, and within 2 to 3 years, almost whole code will be written by AI, which sounds crazy, right? Before actually complying the situation, we have to first understand the difference between productivity and replacement. Before the panic sets in, let's consider what the big tech is seeing. Google Sundar Pichai publicly said that AI has improved 10% productivity in the employer's work in coding. This is actually a drastic improvement in the field of IT. So AI isn't replacing us, it is actually boosting our work. So problem is not with the AI or not with the technology. It is with the people who are not ready to adapt to the technology and learn new things and destroy the traditional things which they have been learning from past decade. So AI is replacing? Not exactly. AI is actually amplifying the work efficiency of the humans. So here comes the major problem: employee adaptation. According to 2024 Stack Overflow Developer Survey, it is said that 76% of the developers have already started using AI tools for coding, and some are planning to use it in the near future, which is a great number. Among them, 72% are feeling positive about the code which is provided from the AI, and 42% are truly believing that the output from the AI tools is actually cool. Among them, 82% are said to be junior developers who are actually college students who are using the AI tools to develop their college final year project, which is actually a good one, which helps them to create their final year project in a faster manner and in a healthy manner. And also, it creates some major issues like lazy to learn methodology. AI tools used by experienced professionals will be used to enhance their code, but AI tools used by junior developers will be actually a raw code which is provided by the AI tool and copying and pasting. It creates a laziness to learn new technology in the near future. So here comes the major question asked by many programmers in the current era, that what is the role of programmers in 2025? So, what should we do now? We can do three things. First one is master prompt engineering. This will help to boost the prompts that we provide to a AI tool to get the proper output. Second one, sharpen code reviewing, security and architecture skills. This will improve how you handle the code that is provided by the AI tool. Third one is learn complementary roles like DevOps, data pipelines, security, prompt design based roles. Also, it is said that almost 60% of the global companies will hire AI skills as the major skill while hiring in 2028. So, invest. If you are a perfect beginner, you can use AI to understand the coding skills in a faster manner. If you are an experienced candidate, you can use AI to steer up your work efficiency. In the end, AI isn't eliminating the coders, it is actually empowering the coders. So it's a conclusion. If you have any discussions, you can leave in the comment box below. Thank you for the discussion. Let's see you in another video. Bye.